I'm Patrick Murphy-Racy, a Sony Artisan of Imagery. I'm down here in St. Augustine, Florida at the St. Augustine Alligator Farm. This place is amazing. Ron Madra and I are going to be doing probably 2 workshops here, one in the fall and one in the spring of 2022. We're really excited about it. This is a target-rich environment, and it's the home to hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of spoonbill, rosette spoonbills. And we're excited. There's egrets here. There's all kinds of different birds. There's a lot of alligators too, but they mostly just lay around, and every once in a while they eat a bird. Basically, we're going to be doing 2 workshops a year down here at the alligator farm. We're going to be working with Harvey Resort, which is just 6 miles up the road, and it's going to be a great time. I have just spent the morning here photographing rosette spoonbills, and they are really a beautiful, beautiful bird. And behind me is the rookery. And right now in the spring is the time when all the eggs hatch and the little tiny spoonbills are coming out. And so there's like little tiny itty bitty spoonbill that are in their first, taking their first steps and they'll spread their wings for the first time. There's lots of eggs still on the roost. It's really something. I'm so excited to be working with Ron. He and I are both sort of formerly with Sports Illustrated, him more so than I, but we're so excited to find life after sports, and we want you to join us, come with us, and experience some of the most beautiful things in America and beyond. As I said before, this place is absolutely amazing. If you can't make a beautiful picture here, you probably can't make a beautiful picture. You could probably fall down and on your way down make a beautiful picture. It is such a target-rich environment. You're going to love it down here. So thanks so much for watching, and we hope you'll think about putting us on your schedule for 2022.